Derek, how are you, mate?
How are you?
We'll do the COVID hello.
COVID push, eh?
Mate, what's on today?
Alright, well we might put a little bit more protection on this thing, hey, now that you're out in the bush, and we'll get some side rails and steps on there for you. And some nice heavy duty rated recovery points up under the front, so if you get stuck, you've got some strong safe points to get recovered on. So
beautiful. And what's the process? Kind of half a day for this?
Mate, yeah, the way we've got it, because you've got the bar work on the front already, so we're going to have to take that bar forward to get in and put the recovery points on, bang him back on, and then we'll get stuck into the side rails and steps. So yeah, let's get into it.
Beautiful. Should be a finished car after this.
Yeah, mate, yeah, there's nothing really left to do to it, is there? So.
Beautiful. We'll get stuck into it.
Alright, good. Let's do it. Rated recovery points, so one on each side on the front, rated to 8,000 kilos, so you can really yank off that with a snatch strap.
So we've been here before when the Fortuna first came in when it was stock, so yeah.
Yeah, you've seen it from the start. Yeah. She's come a long way.
A new one, yep. So last couple of times you were here, we put the bull bar on. We've done suspension, the snorkel, tow bar, and GME UHF inside.
And now to finish her off.
Finish her off, put some protection on the side, and yeah, recovery points, as we said, on the front. So
this is all rated pretty good, and it's pretty key for what we're doing now, isn't it?
Mate, it's all designed to take the vehicle weight with as far as the protection steps go, and they've got the scrub bars up the front, so the side rails and steps as we call them, and rating on the recovery points on each point's 8,000 kilos, so nice and strong.
Well, we're pretty excited to be done, and we'll get back out on the tracks and fully safe and kit it up.
All right, we'll get stuck into it.
Beauty.
Good on you.
This process starts with installing the steps up under the chassis, then adding on the side rails on both sides. The process is not one we'd want to do ourselves, with precise alignments and installs required for the best use of these safety accessories. Then, time for the metal step plates to be attached. As some added extras, we purchased a brand new full-size ARB touring awning, which was installed while the boys did some switch wiring for us to tidy up the GME, UHF and spotlight switches inside.
Well, there we go, Derek. Thanks, mate. All done.
Yeah, mate, no worries. Glad we could help out. A little bit more protection for you, like we talked about this morning, but no more scratches on the guard.
Well, that's the plan anyway, but I think this will keep it a bit safer on the on those bit hairier tracks.
Look, that's what it's designed for. Keep the sheet metal nice and neat. So yeah, just don't test it out too much.
She looks good already, so that's great. Thanks, mate. I think that's almost pretty much it for the Fortuna.
Just make sure you use those recovery points. You know, that's what they're there for.
Yeah, so. And a bit of extra shade there as well.
Shade, so enjoy it, mate. Get out there, hit some tracks.